this on Forbes, he would have just followed us up too.
When's the last time Pittsburgh was declared a federal disaster area?
Don't know. The last really good blizzard, I think, was 92. I don't know if we got
pretty good.
any sort of designation for that.
Respectable. This is pretty goddamn respectable. If this puts 3 feet on the ground. How fucking metal would it be if we got carjacked in this weather?
Well, I'd be like, where are you gonna take it? Where do you think you're gonna fucking take it? Over there? And then you're gonna spin out?
Why do you want to get carjacked?
Yeah, they drive off 50 feet, crash, and then we run over and beat the shit out of them.
Yeah.
Do you want to go?
Technically speaking, you can make a left to get on 5th.
You don't get on the 5th unless you're a bus.
Ah, that's right.
Yeah, we're not a bus. I bet we could get away with it right now.
Probably.
I don't think they would stop us. We're like, we need to get home.
Can you imagine the cops trying to chase us?
Fucked. Oh my god, high-speed chase is
The
blast about
shortest chase ever.
I don't know. There's nothing else on the road. I mean, high-speed chases usually end.
Because of all the other people on
Yeah.
the road.
Some guy hits some other guy, you know.
Might be able to outmaneuver the cop car with 4-wheel drive.
Cops are pretty serious about their driving.
If they're a good cop.
No, I mean, it's just like it's a macho thing.
Yeah, no.
But I mean, I thought you had that
What
too.
is
There's not normally a car parked underneath the bridge. Or probably
Where
this
is
is
this even going? Or are we?
This is fine. This is correct.
I don't think I've ever been this way before.
Yeah, I've been this way. It'll pop us up.
If we don't, the snow doesn't just.
This is probably one of the worst places to fucking haul off and speed because like I don't know what's over the ledge. Or rather, I think I do know what's over the ledge.
The most brutal of all things.
The rail trail I walk on.
Yeah. You know where we're at now?
Hey, your car.
It's a car right there.
That's the derelict vehicle. It's just left there.
Christ.
You're not supposed to leave things there.
Like cars. Fucking littering.
Yeah, look at people are just fucking dropping their cars everywhere.
That car is coming.
The car is
backwards.
coming towards you.
What the fuck is
Zombieland people do whatever the fuck they want.
Yeah, I'm gonna agree with Dave.
It's a zombie
Zombieland concept. Look, there's a fucking truck on the sidewalk over there. It's like game over, man.
Yeah.
Apparently no one can make it up this street but you, Dave.
Yeah.
You just made it up this street. No one else can.
Your faith is what keeps me going.
But I don't want to have good faith for you to get me to fucking CVS.
I'll just drop you off in CVS and you can wait there.
I don't have a work shirt. I would actually need to go. Unfortunately.
Sorry we can get you home.
I'm sorry that you're dependable and amazing. Dave.
Think about how amazing I am. Get us that copy of Windows 7.
Part of me was thinking, I was like, I wonder if Dave's championing like this just so he can get his copy of fucking Windows 7.
No,
64-bit edition.
all professional. All.
I thought everything was 32-bit.
No, 64-bit.
Welcome to the
Don't let
future.
them give you the 32-bit one. They're ripping you off. Apparently you actually have one copy of each of them. I really give a fuck right now.
Someone hitting you? What?
Who is gonna hit me?
We go to the gas station.
No.
It's some venom. I actually think we're gonna take the turnpike back.
You are or aren't.
I'm not. For the 376.
But the on-ramp will be okay.
Well, I mean, like, what if we can't get off at Edgewood?
Then we go the
I
stupid
would
way.
much rather just go through Squirrel Hill. Full braking power. it used to be.
Oh, technically you have the right of way now. Oh no!
I stopped. Can't stop.
Don't do that.
Oh, there's people in the road.
It's okay, they have the right of way.
In the middle of the road?
You have a red light.
In the middle of the road? Right now? What are these people up to?
These are the homeless kind of people.
Oh, yeah.
That guy's like dressed in bags.
They're like the young homeless people. They're like Kayla was doing for a while. Buttermilk.
Ones that have been trying to get to Maryland for 4 years.
What's Maryland?
Don't know. Never asked.
Damn, you've done a good job.
Hey, don't worry about it.
We just gotta drop them off here.
Don't go down this street.
I'm not. I'm just looking. I'm looking around to make sure homeless people don't like dodge out in front of me.
Dude, it's Zombieland. Fucking hit them sons of
Blend
bitches.
into the snow.
Are you actually going all the way?
If I was you, I would just call up CPS and be like, listen, fuck you.
Oh my god.
Look at this. It's like a tunnel. It's not normally
Wow.
a tunnel.
Wow, yeah.
Block your mirror again.
I was down this road not 5-6 hours ago.
And you didn't have to possibly worry about electrical wires falling in your car and
so
killing
low
us
that
all.
my car hits them. Oh, low in the snow. Yes. This is an incredibly bad idea.
The video cameras.
Me working was a really bad idea.
If there's like another foot of snow on the ground in another couple of hours, I would just call up and tell them this.
Why? I can walk to CVS.
Look at that. The stairs don't even exist.
Nope.
This is like skiing. This is like
CVS
skiing
loses
on
money
French
by being open today.
Probably.
Aaron said it.
Jesus Christ.
You know what I hate? Fucking skags.
She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little company? If you pay the right price, your evening will be nice, and you can go and send me on my way. I said, just such a sweet young thing, why you do this to yourself?
You guys will call or text me when you get home safe, right?
Yeah, sure. In 5 hours.
Jill. Hello. Pretty good. We are basically about to drop me off, and I told them that they have to call me when they get home safe. It was alright when we got to there about, like, it was doable because of Dave's car. And then when we went to get off at the Oakland exit, there was like a 3-foot wall of snow, so we had to go to like downtown. Yeah, it was pretty bad and scary. Like I think as we're driving, I can feel the snow scraping the bottom of Dave's car. Yeah, so it's a winter wonderland and a half. But
Something in the road.
well, we're here right now. I'm gonna be hopping out. Then they're gonna head your way. Again, I told them to call me when they get home. All right. All right, you got it. You got it. Yep, absolutely. Yep. Take care. Yep. Bye. You were instructed to call Jill before you call for any form of other emergency service.
Alright.
Just saying.
Yeah, Sean, if you could,
Shotgun.